Welcome to Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best vegan turtle cheesecake. So here we're going to start with our raw almonds or cashews, our pitted dates, and our cocoa powder and some sea salt. You'll want to mix that well in your food processor and then press it down into your parchment-lined springform pan. And then it's time to pour on your filling: the cashews, coconut milk, vanilla, coconut oil, lemon juice, and a little sea salt. And then into the freezer overnight. And once it's chilled, you can take it out and get all your other toppings ready. And now it's time to decorate. Caramel sauce, pecans, chocolate, more chocolate. There you go, that's the first one I'll show you. And now on to decorating number 2. Again, get all your toppings ready. And when you have extra chocolate, you just can't let that go to waste, so onto the cake it went. As you can see, I have tons of fun decorating these cakes. And there you go, cake number 2 all decorated up. Nice and easy, especially if you have all your ingredients ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I will have the recipe in the description box below, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.